To all you Fallout New Vegas fans, look, we got something special here this year in Goodsprings. WelderUp Carnival of Rust is going to open up the property so you could come through and actually see the authentic buildings that were in the video game. Never seen before. This is the 15th year of Fallout, and I think it's a special year for you to be able to come in, walk around, and see some of the really cool things that bring it to life. We actually have the windmills, we have open wells for water, and it will be a good 35 to 40 minute tour to walk through. While you're here on the property, our gas station will be open for merch. If you guys want some authentic merch from WelderUp that will be Fallout related, you can get it here at the store. So if you are interested, it's welderup.com/fallout. So check it out.